Hey there, social media managers and content creators. Today, we're diving into how to schedule Instagram feed posts using ContentStudio. This powerful tool will help you streamline your social media workflow and keep your Instagram feed looking fresh and engaging. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your ContentStudio dashboard. You'll see a welcoming interface with various options. Navigate to the Compose drop-down menu in the top navigation bar and select Social Post. Once you're in the Post Composer, it's time to select your social media platform. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of connected accounts. Scroll down until you find the Instagram section and select the Instagram account you want to post to. It's that simple. Now, let's create your Instagram post. In the main Composer area, you'll see a text box where you can write your caption. Get creative. No Instagram post is complete without eye-catching visuals. To add media to your post, look for the Add Media button. Click on it, and you'll see options to upload an image or video. If you have pre-uploaded content, you can also access your media library. Adding hashtags. Instagram thrives on hashtags, and ContentStudio makes it easy to add them. Click on the hashtag icon. You'll see options to create new hashtags or select from saved ones. Keep your content fresh and varied. I want to add some personality to your post? Click on the smiley face icon to open the emoji picker. You'll find a wide range of emojis categorized for easy selection. Remember, a well-placed emoji can really make your post pop. Now that we've covered the basics of creating your post, let's dive into some of ContentStudio's powerful features which are designed to spark your creativity, save you time, and help your post shine. Let's intensify your content creation with ContentStudio's AI toolkit. Look for the robot icon in the right sidebar. This opens up a world of AI-powered possibilities. For our Instagram post, the AI caption generator is particularly useful. Just click on it to get started. This feature is one of the best for creating engaging captions. You'll see a drop-down where you can select the type of caption you want. The AI will use your input to generate captions. You can customize your AI-generated caption by adjusting the word count using the slider, choosing a voice tone, opting to generate hashtags, including emojis, and selecting the number of variations you want up to 3. Once you've set your preferences, hit that generate button and get ready to witness the magic unfold. The AI will provide you with multiple caption options based on your input. Each caption comes complete with relevant hashtags and emojis. You can easily copy the caption you like best or add it directly to your Composer section with the Add to Editor button. These AI-generated captions are a great starting point. They provide structure and ideas, which you can then tweak and personalize to fit your brand voice perfectly. Now that we've crafted the perfect post with an engaging caption, let's dive into the scheduling process. ContentStudio offers flexible options to ensure your post goes live at the optimal time for maximum engagement. Before we schedule, let's quickly check our Instagram settings. You'll see an Instagram settings section where you can choose your publishing method. For feed posts, select Direct Publishing via API. This allows ContentStudio to post directly to your Instagram feed without manual intervention. You can also toggle the option to also share to story if you want your feed post to appear in your Instagram story as well. Posting schedule. Scroll down to the posting schedule section. Here's where the magic happens. You have several options for this tutorial. Let's focus on scheduling. Choose a specific date and time for your post to go live. Click on Schedule to open the scheduling options. You'll see a calendar where you choose a specific date and time for your post to go live. ContentStudio even offers a best time to post feature, which suggests optimal posting times based on your audience's activity. You have 2 scheduling options. Same time for all accounts. This is great if you're posting to multiple platforms simultaneously. If you're posting to multiple platforms, you might want to use the custom time option. This allows you to set different posting times for each of your connected accounts. Once you've set your desired schedule, click Continue. You'll be taken back to the main Composer screen, where you can review all your post details. When you're happy with everything, click the Schedule button. Your post is now set to go live at your chosen time. And there you have it. You've successfully created and scheduled an Instagram feed post using ContentStudio. This powerful tool takes the hassle out of social media management, allowing you to focus on creating great content. Remember, consistency is key on Instagram. Use ContentStudio's scheduling features to maintain a regular posting schedule and watch your engagement grow. With the time you save, you can focus on crafting even more amazing content and engaging with your audience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Until next time, happy posting.